Hi and welcome to R&M LOCKSMITH Explainer videos. Today we're just going to basically show you exactly how a night latch, a REM cylinder basically works with a key. So over here, this part over here is what you call the head. Over here, this is what you call the shoulder. Sometimes you have two, in this case we only have just the one. There's your groove. And that's what you call the blade. Right, that there is your tip. And over here you basically have the milling. Now in this case there are three millings here. There's one here, one over here, and if we turn the key around, there's another milling right there. Looking down this way is a key profile. So when you get your key cuts done, that's your profile. That's the exact key that you basically need. Now when we insert the key into the actual lock, what you will see is the pins over here. If you have a look at the pins, they raise up. So without the key, the pins are different lengths, different sizes. When pushing the key back in, it goes all flush, as you can see. And if you can notice over here, this is what we call the shear line. So your shear line, once putting the right key in, the pins are exactly right for it to sit and for the key to actually turn accordingly. Now what pushes your latch back inside is this part over here, which is your tailpiece. The tailpiece allows your latch to turn. Okay. However, when you leave the property, you could double lock it, which means that you cannot open it from the inside by putting something through the letterbox, and it means that it's secure. Some of these night latches, they don't normally have a deadlocking feature. So you've just got to look out for one if you need extra security, even though if you've got a deadlock. Right? If we look at the front of the latch, you have this part over here, which is what you call the snib. So that's only if, say for example, you're taking the bins out, you're bringing the shopping in, you're bringing the kids in, for example. You leave the door open just so that the door doesn't close up behind you at all. Okay. Or what you can also do is to put it up this way. And that way, on your keep, on the frame to where your latch goes into, if you pushed it up this way and the wind kept on blowing the night latch onto the keep itself, it could damage your keep and also your frame on this side itself, and you don't really want to be doing that. So my best option is to keep it this way when you're bringing your shopping in or bringing the kids in from the car. Once again, just going to show you how this actually works again. So have a look there again. These are pins. Over here we've got 5 in total. And there you have it, guys. That's how your night latch works.